This is the #1 beginner mistake. The right macro executed in the wrong place. The text was meant for the editor and ended up in a chat. In this video, we settle once and for all how Magic Automa decides where a macro acts. And it's simpler than you think. Let's start with the generic target. There's exactly one rule. The macro targets the last external app you clicked. I click into Notepad, run. It types there. I click into the browser, run. It types in the browser. Note the word external. Clicks on Magic Automa's own windows don't count, so pressing the macros button doesn't change the target. It's the perfect behavior for universal macros, like the signature. Then there are dedicated macros. Set the target to DaVinci Resolve, and the macro will find DaVinci, bring it to the front, and act there, whatever you were looking at before. Watch. I'm in a browser, I run it, and the action lands on DaVinci. For editing macros, this is the right choice. No ambiguity, no accidents. What if you have two windows of the same program? Magic Automa uses common sense. It prefers the instance you clicked last. Only when it truly can't decide does it show you a picker dialog. It's rare, but if you ever see it, now you know why. Two identical candidates and no recent hint. 3 classic mistakes. 1. You run a generic macro, but your last click was on another app. The macro goes there as designed. Click where you want to hit before running. 2. Dedicated target, but the program is closed. The macro can't act, and it tells you. 3. The subtle one. You're testing a remote, tablet, Stream Deck, and meanwhile you click its interface. By the generic rule, the target becomes the remote. In that case, tap the real app first. To recap, generic follows your last external click, dedicated always finds its program, and with multiple windows, the last clicked one wins. Next video, all the ways to start macros, keys, timers, and auto run side by side.